Hi, would you like to become a data analyst? Do you know there's so many job opportunities for data analysts both here in Nigeria and abroad? Join the next batch of our partially funded scholarship training on data analysis. Here's what you will learn. Introduction to data analysis. Here you get to understand the power of data. Excel and advanced Excel. We will be taking from the basics to pro-level analysis. Now data analysis using Excel. Understand real-world practical insights when it comes to using Excel to analyze and visualize data. Data analysis using Microsoft Power BI. Create stunning and interactive dashboard and timely infographics. Visualizing data in infographics where you get to turn raw data into compelling visuals. We have made available physical and online classes for you to learn anywhere. Recorded videos are also available so you will not miss a thing from the training. Here's how the training runs. Live practical classes happens 3 times in a week. Pre-recorded videos on seller.com. WhatsApp group for real-time support, assignment, projects, and certificates to boost your resume. Don't wait, take action now. You can visit our website, call us or chat us on WhatsApp, or visit any of our physical offices for more inquiries. Your journey to mastering data analysis starts right here. Register today, don't wait. Seats are limited and opportunities like this do not wait for you. Register and let's make 2025 your year of success.